The recording is recording.
Alright guys, I'm here. I'm making my own custom play button, okay? Now, it's going to be made out of root beer and gelatin. I'm going to take a sip of this like a chef. Tastes nice. I'm going to shake it up. And we're going to put it in the freezer. Follow me. There's a strange guy recording me. I don't know who he is. Oh, what's up, Simba? Simba? Alright, so we're gonna put it in the freezer.
It stopped on its own. Stopped on its own.
It didn't stop. Alright. So we'll see you guys in a second. What's up, Simba? How you doing, Simba? We doing, Simba? We doing, Simba? Simba, why'd you run away? I was pinning you. Jesus, you're so emotional. You're so butthurt. You have a big ego. Like if you get pushed, you're gonna cry. You're gonna cry. You're very sensitive. Yeah, that's right, Simba. You better run. You better run. All right, so. Alright guys, see you in the next vid. Peace out. You'll see me soon, okay? You'll see me with the button, and you'll see me do some stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace out. Bye.